Hello guys, welcome to Math with Cap. Today we're gonna learn about the quadratic null factor. Okay, I know I uploaded a ton of video today and it's not just today thing, but anyways. Okay, so before we start, there's something you should know about quadratics. Quadratics. It can either have one solution, two solution, or wait, no, what the fuck. Okay, anyways, it can either have zero solution or one solution or two solution. So keeping that in mind, let's start. So first we have something like x plus 3 equals 0. Remember, for this to work, this always has to be 0. Anyways, so just a quick recall, anything times times 0 equals 0. So having that in mind, let's look. Without expanding, you can already see. So x can be 0, because if that's 0, then it doesn't matter what it is in here. It timesing them together, that would be 0. Or you can look at here. If we put -3, this spot would be 0. In that case, whatever this is, this would still equals to 0. So x equals 0 or -3. A quicker way to look at this, like a quicker way to solve this, is just to remember, if you see something like this, like an isolated x or like 2x or whatever, with x plus something or minus something, it's always just x equals 0, and the number here with the opposite operation. Like, for example, x minus 2 equals 0 would be x equals 0 or 2, etc. And it doesn't matter if we put like a 2 here, because if we still have a 0 here, this would still be 0, so it doesn't change. Now let's look at something that's more like something like this: x plus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. In this case, again, you want one of them to be equals to, like, one of the brackets to be 0. And to achieve that, once again, you just simply reverse the signs. So x equals -2 or 3. And if you have something like x minus 5, 2x plus, let's say, 3 equals 0, then in that case x would be 5. Then we have 3, so that would be -3, but we also have 2x, which means you need to divide that by 2, so -3 over 2. Easy enough, right? And like, let's say if we have something like x minus 3 squared, then it can only be one solution, whereas x would be 3. And I think that's pretty straightforward. And see you next time.